So I keep tightening and tightening and tightening this fuel rail, and no matter what, it fucking leaks. And you can see I put a thread lock tape on it inside and out, but no matter what, this shit is just leaking. You see it's all wet. It's bullshit. So I'm gonna put on the stock fuel rail, which means I probably have to cut new AN lines to work with that. And that works. It's been sitting in the box for I don't know how long, but I did see the gauge going up. You can actually see it's not on 0 right now. And it's going down ever so slowly. Why? Because it's fucking leaking. Whatever. That's what we're doing tomorrow. Fix the fuel rail leak. Let's put like more Teflon tape in there somewhere, just some thicker, the blue stuff instead of the white stuff. It's felt thicker, you know. I don't know. I don't even know the name of it because the wrappers are all off or whatever. But I definitely knew that one of them was a little bit more industrial strength than the other one. So that's done, and then yeah, first start. Here we go. Did it! Oh boy. And so the key was broken, so we had to make it look better. Alright. Dual stage boost controller switch. Alright. Boost gauge. High boost setting. Open the ashtray, turn it off. So I'm gonna put the bumper on. That's going downstairs. The rest of the stuff, pads and rotors. I'm taking them long because I don't know. I decided to spray them. For what reason? Don't know. Everything seems to be working fine, except for this. This is like the needle bounces. But it's like a fast mount, so it doesn't even go far. It kind of stays in one spot, but it's like real twitchy. That's smoking. I'm pretty sure it's just paint. I'm guessing. And then there's the rims. Those are BMW rims, 17 by 8.5. And then I have a 1-inch spacer adapter. So it's gonna be sitting pretty wide. It's tight. So I got shit everywhere. I got a big kit over there, but I just gave up.